The federal government says we could have a COVID-19 vaccine in about 8 weeks, but some Minnesotans could get a dose as soon as tomorrow. Health Partners is doing a local clinical trial, which makes us all wonder, when will we have a vaccine? Erin Hassanzadeh shows us where the science stands.
In this letter sent to all 50 states, the CDC tells health officials to prepare for a COVID-19 vaccine as soon as November.
We have to keep concentrating on the science.
Infectious disease expert Dr. Michael Osterholm is not convinced that's likely.
I think we might have data by the end of this year that could warrant the licensing of a safe and effective vaccine, at least for some groups. Surely it won't be for the general population. I can't imagine that for at least until next year.
Osterholm says we need more data on developing vaccines, and some of it will come from right here.
I know there's been a huge interest already.
Starting Thursday, Health Partners will test a vaccine on at least 1,500 people. 2/3 will get the vaccine, the other third a placebo. And it's double blind, so doctors and patients won't know who got the real thing.
Optimally, from a research perspective, we really want to focus on groups with higher risk of exposure or higher risk of likely developing severe disease if they do get a COVID-19 infection.
Researchers also want diversity in their pool, though some warn there's a reason the trial is happening here.
These companies didn't come here by accident. They came here because they recognize that we may actually be seeing a big increase in cases over the days ahead.
I hear people out in the community asking, what can I do to help? And I would say, hey, this is actually a very direct way in which you can help.
And now Minnesotans can help as the world races to develop a shield from COVID-19 and its grip on our lives.
Let the vaccines come as soon as they can, but not before their time.
If you take part in the trial, you will have about 10 doctor visits over 2 years. You will also get paid. Researchers say there's about a 0% chance of contracting the virus by taking this vaccine.
Up next on Valley News Live 10 at 10, what Apple is doing to prove its commitment to maintaining your privacy.